moving the Sun 10,000 miles closer to Earth would have catastrophic consequences for our planet and its inhabitants. However, it's important to note that this scenario is purely hypothetical, as the Sun's movement on such a scale is not scientifically feasible. The Sun's mass and gravitational effects are vastly larger than anything humans could influence. That being said, if we were to explore the hypothetical effects of such a change, here are some of the specific consequences that would likely occur. Increase in temperature. The Earth would experience a significant increase in temperature due to the Sun's closer proximity. This would lead to a drastic rise in global temperatures, causing heat waves, melting polar ice, and a disruption of ecosystems. Sea level rise. The melting of polar ice and glaciers would contribute to a rapid rise in sea levels. Coastal cities and low-lying areas would be inundated, leading to widespread displacement of populations and loss of land. Weather extremes. The change in temperature distribution would lead to more frequent and intense weather events such as hurricanes, typhoons, and tornadoes. The altered atmospheric conditions could result in unpredictable and extreme weather patterns. Ecosystem disruption. The increased temperatures would disrupt ecosystems, leading to shifts in habitats and potential extinctions of plant and animal species that cannot adapt quickly enough to the changing conditions. Agricultural challenges. Changes in temperature and weather patterns would affect agriculture, leading to decreased crop yields and food shortages. This could result in famine and food insecurity for many regions. Ozone layer depletion. The increased solar radiation due to the Sun's proximity could lead to further depletion of the ozone layer, which protects life on Earth from harmful ultraviolet (UV) radiation. This would have serious health implications for humans and other species. Health impacts. The increase in UV radiation could lead to higher rates of skin cancer and other UV-related health issues for humans and animals. It could also disrupt ecosystems by harming phytoplankton and other primary producers. Mass extinctions. The combined effects of temperature rise, ecosystem disruption, and UV radiation could potentially trigger mass extinctions, with many species struggling to survive or adapt to the rapidly changing conditions. Geological effects. The altered gravitational forces between the Earth, Moon, and other celestial bodies could potentially lead to increased seismic activity, including earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Energy crisis. The changes in climate and environmental conditions could impact energy production and distribution systems, leading to energy shortages and an increased reliance on alternative energy sources. It's important to reiterate that this hypothetical scenario is not scientifically plausible, given our current understanding of celestial mechanics and the Sun's immense mass and gravitational effects. The consequences mentioned above are based on extrapolations and educated guesses, but the actual effects of such an event would likely be even more complex and far-reaching.